And now the Supreme Court has given permission for dance bars, nightclubs. I mean, that's what Bombay is all about. You know, I mean, that's the difference between Mumbai and Delhi and Bangalore and all these places where they shut down at 11 o'clock.
Okay. But do you think it can be improved in some way?
It will happen by itself. It will depend on, once you allow the place to run, then the public will decide who is to shut down, who is to not shut down. कौन चलेगा कौन नहीं चलेगा वो तो पब्लिक के हिसाब से है ना. इम्प्रूव तो सरकार थोड़ी करेगी, वो तो पब्लिक करेगी.
And recently the demonetization issue that ban of 500,000 did it affect your life as such? The ban on the notes as such?
यार देख, जब तू बीमार होता है तो डॉक्टर तुझे इंजेक्शन देता है तो तुझे चोट लगती है ना, पर क्यों लेता है तू इंजेक्शन? Why do you take the injection? To get better, na? Huh? Sometimes the doctor makes a mistake also. But you don't blame the doctor for trying to cure you. So Modi is giving you an injection to the country to cure it of its corruption. तो तुम रो क्यों रहे हो यार? जब तुम रोज डॉक्टर के पास जाके गोलियां खाते हो, इंजेक्शन लेते हो, एनिमा लेते हो, तो तब तो नहीं रोते, पैसा भी देते हो तब. तो इज डूइंग दैट ओनली ना टू द कंट्री. और क्या कर रहा है वो?
Junkyard. Actually, Junkyard is very close to my heart, and I have done a lot of shows in Delhi, in Junkyard, in CP, and now it's in Mumbai. It's the most happening place. So I've come to support, and I want to wish all the best to Umang and Mickey Bhai, all the honors, and it's very close to me. Yeah, my friends, and I performed, so it's very close to my heart. Upcoming projects, yes, my new song Habibi is coming out, and there is a film that we shot for 10 days in Dubai. So inshallah in coming year 2017 I'm going to reveal that as well. Thank you very much, God bless. Thank you, brother. Thank you, bro. I just want to tell that I'm really happy to be here. Like you saw, I don't have time, मैं तो directly shoot से आया हूँ. मेरी wife अभी आ रही है और उसी का wait कर रहा हूँ. And I just want to wish Ashish all the best for this lovely place. And I think बहुत rough and tough है. नाम भी suggest करता है Junkyard. So, but it's not a junkyard. I think it's a place. It's a junkyard where people can come and party and have a great time. Whenever I get time, I like to party. I like to go out with friends and just chill. I think everyone likes to unwind in some way or the other. तो मुझे आज वक्त मिला, कल सुबह फिर 9 बजे शूट पर जाना है. तो जो भी वक्त मिला है, I think I'll have a good time here. Thanks. ऑन लोकेशन पे अभी बहुत ड्रामा आ रहा है मेरे शो में, परदेश में है मेरा दिल. तो प्लीज़ देखिएगा उसे. और रात को मुझे यहाँ देखिएगा, दिन में मुझे वहाँ देखिएगा. Are you questioning? Oh, you're questioning. English. English. I want to say कि I'm very happy. एक तो ये है कि junkyard मेरे घर के बहुत पास में है. So I think I beat the traffic and I got here really quick. So I'm happy there are more really trendy places opening very close to my house. It looks like a very snazzy place, really chilled out, and I still have to go in and experience it. But all the best to the people who are behind it, to the entire team, my friend Gagan, who put up this amazing launch. I'm waiting to be a part of it and experience it.
Who is the person you want to hang out or and the quality time you who is that person?
वैसे मेरे दोस्त हैं, मेरे कुछ दोस्त आए हैं जो मेरे बाइकर गैंग से हैं. So there's Deepak, there's Apurva Agnihotri, there's Chetan Hansraj, and there are a couple of my friends over here. Looking forward to hang with them and have a good time. So all the best to Junkyard. Thank you.
It's a great place. Plus, it looks beautiful. I mean, it's like a garage and a junkyard. It's very rough, rustic, and I think really manly. And it's a very different concept. It's a branch from Delhi. I wish them all the best. I hope they do well in Bombay. Thank you.
Thank you. Stand here for the visual camera. Over there. Thank you.
I've just entered. I haven't even seen the place, but I'm here for Zulfi and for my friend Dipesh. For my friend Dipesh is playing. Zulfi is also here, and I haven't seen the place yet. Let me go inside and see the place. No, party animal is the wrong word to say. I have a social life. I do go out, and when it's for friends, then I do definitely go out and support them.
Sakshi Pradhan here. I'm very excited to come here. It's coming from Delhi and it's doing amazing there. And I hope it does amazing here as well because it's Bangalore Road. Thank you.
How do you find the Mumbai nightlife as that?
Sorry?
How do you find the Mumbai nightlife?
Mumbai nightlife is amazing. It's like Bollywood because of Bollywood, Bombay rocks and the nightlife rocks as well. It's all about having your friends. I have friends here and I love it here.
What's going on professional front?
Sorry?
What's going on professional front?
I can't hear you.
What are you doing?
I'm hosting a show on MTV right now as I'm morning. It's called as Sexy Sakshi on MTV. Watch me live and that's all I'm DJing and I'm happy. Let's see when I make my big debut in Bollywood. Fingers crossed.
Just here to check it out. I think earlier it used to be counted. People did go over here. I'm a human being who likes to party here. हाँ, जंकयार्ड मेरे दोस्त का है। मैं दिल्ली से हूँ और उसका जो उनका जो पहला स्टोर है वो दिल्ली में है, सिटी में। बहुत अच्छा खाना मिलता है, बहुत अच्छी सर्विस है, बहुत अच्छा एम्बियंस है, मुझे बहुत पसंद है। एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी दिस गाइज आर इन बॉम्बे नाउ। आई थिंक अब सारी पब्लिक यहीं आने वाली है। Very nice. The name is very interesting, Junkyard Cafe. So, and my friend is, he's very dear to me. I know him from Delhi for a lot of years. So, it looks like a very nice place. So I'm hoping it will be great. And I hope that more and more people come here and to such places and encourage, good businesses and good places. Little bit. I used to party a lot, but not anymore. Thanks. See you go.
firstly, I would like to congratulate my friend Umang for this wonderful venture he's brought here to Mumbai. Junkyard is a very famous franchise and a very popular franchise in Delhi and a few other places as well, right? Yeah. So we are honored and privileged that that Junkyard has come to Mumbai, and I'm very happy because it's very close to my place. And wish you all the best with your concept, and I hope you go from strength to strength and take this particular Junkyard concept to another level altogether. And it's looking like the reaction that we're getting is that it's such a popular brand that people are like thronging to come to be a part of this. It's amazing. It's really great.
Also, you are Indian, you are a party animal.
I'm not a party animal, but I go to great places, and Junkyard is one such place that I love to go to. ये वो प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं आपके सवाल का जवाब देता हूँ. It was an honor to be a part of the 100th episode of Karan's show and be with my the three brothers, be there on the show. It was great, and it was a wonderful show. It was very real, very honest, and fun. So it was wonderful. सब मस्ती मजाक था, इतना सब सीरियसली लेने जैसा है नहीं. वहाँ जो बातें हुई उसमें से कुछ सच है, उसमें से कुछ मजाक की बातें हैं जो हैं, तो यू शुड टेक इट सीरियस.
टुडे आमिर खान ने अपनी दूसरी मूवी का टीजर लॉन्च किया है.
दूसरी मूवी का
सीक्रेट सुपरस्टार
चलेगा. आज हम जंकयार्ड के बारे में बात करते हैं, अगली बार करेंगे. सर आ जाओ, ये थोड़ा ही